Energy management has the capability to ensure that power generation, power storage or energy storage, and power usage in the building can be aligned with each other so that the power available from renewable resources as part of the building can be used on-site in the building when it is available. And if there is proper storage, the building can actually provide this power to the grid. And with this renewable energy, it will add to the smart city, reducing its power consumption. At KNX Germany, we have a group that actually looks at how to set up energy management systems easily. This is part of one of the projects that we're doing to improve processes in setting up energy management and setting up the building for sustainability. Okay. I see that the sustainability of buildings actually is improved over the next 10 years to the point that new buildings will actually be zero-emission buildings, and at the same time, the building will become a power plant in the city. This is a vision that actually I think is doable, and it requires that we work on the system itself. This is where KNX comes in, but also on storage technology, which is a key element to reach this goal. The current storage technology is still fairly expensive. If pricing comes down, then you can actually store more of what you produce in the building inside the home. And this is something that over the next 10 years is expectable that prices will come down. So it is foreseeable that within a 10-year time span, technology will develop, and the control network for these different parts and pieces of equipment in the building, in my eyes, KNX is well suited to be the network for these devices and systems. The challenge is actually to go beyond where KNX is today. KNX today is in the electrical installation of a building. There are manufacturers of solar PV, of batteries, of inverters, of electrical vehicles, and they come from different areas and different scopes. Making them aware that there is already a system in there that is designed to do efficiency and to support sufficiency in the building operation, that this system can actually support them in having their different applications and systems that they have, tie them together in the building. If we're going from the current way of providing energy to buildings and go to an all-electric society, this means that everything would be powered through electrical energy. The current grid was never designed to carry this much electrical power. So if we have a smart building with energy management in it, it can actually generate the power and provide the power to the grid when it is needed there, when the grid can actually carry it. This reduces the overall cost of the infrastructure in the city because you don't have to lay or expand new grid wiring or installation in the city. So the smart city actually benefits from smart buildings.